Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. Each strike counts. Each move counts. Each choice counts. Be like. 1. Each strike is a chance to improve. Reason, every attempt helps you learn. 2. Each move writes the next chapter. Reason, small actions shape the outcome. 3. Each choice is a new adventure. Reason, decisions open different paths. 4. Miss the target, aim again. Reason, practice makes progress. 5. One smart move beats 10 rush ones. Reason, thinking ahead often pays off. 6. Each level starts with one step. Reason, great achievements begin small. 7. Patience is sometimes the strongest move. Reason, waiting for the right moment can help. 8. One good decision today helps tomorrow. Reason, positive choices build positive habits. 9. Every practice round makes you stronger. Reason, repetition builds skill. 10. Celebrate progress, not just perfect scores. Reason, improvement deserves recognition. 11. Every challenge is a chance to level up. Reason, difficult moments help you grow. 12. A calm mind makes better choices. Reason, staying calm improves decision making. 13. Teamwork makes every move stronger. Reason, working together increases success. 14. Learn from every missed shot. Reason, mistakes are valuable teachers. 15. One kind choice can brighten someone's day. Reason, kindness has a positive impact. 16. Every small victory deserves a smile. Reason, progress is worth celebrating. 17. Stay focused until the game is over. Reason, consistency matters from start to finish. 18. Choose courage over giving up. Reason, confidence grows through effort. 19. Keep moving forward one choice at a time. Reason, steady progress leads to success. 20. Each strike counts. Each move counts. Each choice counts. Make each one your best. Reason, success is built through thoughtful actions and consistent effort. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.